Prime Minister Narendra Modi asked BJP members of parliament and MLAs to lead by example and disclose banking transactions post demonetization. PM asked all MPs and MLAs to submit their bank details from November 9 to December 31st to party president by January 1. PM Modi asserts the new amendment to taxation laws bill aims at returning money looted from the poor to them. He said money collected for the PM Garib Kalyan Yojana will be used for housing, education and health welfare schemes for the poor. Both houses of the parliament witnessed repeated disruptions. Parliamentary Affairs Minister Anant Kumar says PM Modi ready to intervene in the debate on demonetization in parliament. He also appeals to the opposition to let the parliament function. Reserve Bank of India raises bank withdrawal limits beyond 24,000 rupees a week for deposits made in current legal tenders. RBI releases data that deposits worth 8,44,000 crore rupees made between 10th and 27th November in old currency notes, while 2,16,000 crore rupees withdrawn. 3 terrorists killed in an encounter with security personnel in Samba district of Ramgarh sector. Total 7 security personnel injured in cross-border firing, including 1 BSF DIG. In another encounter in Nagrota region, 3 army personnel injured in the gunfight that still continues with the terrorists. The incident took place when militants opened heavy fire at an army camp. Forces give befitting reply. Entire area cordoned off and schools closed. In Gujarat, BJP sweeps municipal polls. Out of total 126, BJP win 110 seats, reducing Congress to mere 16. BJP also win majority seats in by-elections for Gondal Taluka Panchayat. BJP leader Prakash Javadekar said that results of local body polls in Gujarat and Maharashtra have showed that people of the country support government's fight against black money. BJP win 851 seats across 164 urban local bodies in the first phase of municipal council polls in Maharashtra. The response to the opposition's Akrosh rallies has been tepid in most parts of the country. The opposition was a divided house, with some observing Akrosh Divas and others calling a Bandh. A plane carrying football players from Brazil crashes in Colombia. The chartered aircraft with 81 people on board was on its way to Medellin International Airport. In United States, Ohio State University attacker identified as Abdul Razak Ali Hartan. The assailant, a student at the university, shot dead after he injured 11 people in university campus. 15-time world champion Pankaj Advani suffered a 2-7 loss in the semi-finals against Andrew Paget of Wales to settle for a bronze medal at the IBSF World Snooker Championship. Advani now heads back to Bangalore to switch to the 3-ball game in preparation for the World Billiards Championship that commences from December 5. Pakistan's hockey team will not feature in next month's Junior World Cup, which will be played in Lucknow. The International Hockey Federation, which is now headed by India's Narendra Batra, has invited Malaysia as a replacement team.